Good morning and welcome to a long overdue breakfast with birds. Hi, Suki. Oh, Leonard is feeling himself. Lots of boys are feeling themselves today. My apologies for the mess. It is a Sunday. My cleaning days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So Sunday afternoon to Monday morning is the grossest the loft will get. Hi, Clo. Hi, Clover. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Hard to believe these are about to be 6 weeks old. Tandy finally has her some attention from her half-brother, in whom she does not seem remotely interested. But Lord, he's feeling himself. Hi, Pookie. Welcome back, Tandy. Tandy's daughter. Trying to be sneaky about preening my eyelids. Hi, Sprinks. Hey, Thistle. It's a gray winter looking day that feels like spring, and it's kind of making my brain hurt. Elliot, quit that. Get out of my eyes. And there's Chiffon over there in the middle of the food station. Oh, there they come. Hey, Precious. Hi, Cookie. Immediately starting a fight with Jojo, who is of the opinion that my knee belongs to them. Clover has gone over there to eat food. He's gotten tired of fighting with Jojo over my knee. Good luck, buddy. Your mom isn't interested. Pippin's already tried her a couple, 2 or 3 times. Oh, hello, MJ. I mistook her for Suki for a second, who have a similar pied pattern, but entirely different colors. Hello. Hello, MJ. Indica, that's rude. Hi, MJ. This is Jackie Pippin. And we're not focusing on anybody specific today because nobody really needs specific focusing on. I'm going to be doing these videos when it is no one's picture day. So they may be a little few and far between. Our channel is mostly going to be doing microscopy recordings, since I'm set up to stream on the Discord now. So most of the time I'll be doing that live instead of pre-recorded for my patrons. Oh, that was rude, Pookie. Good Lord. Hey, Puddin'. Puddin's Peep is due to hatch on Wednesday. Farthing and Luxie's is due tomorrow, and there are pit marks in the shell. He's a little uncomfortable and doesn't know what to do. Farthing, no. I was not summoning you. That was not a summons. Buddy, not a summons. Still not a summons. Go sit your egg. If that peep makes it into the world, I'm frankly going to be amazed. Thank you, Farthing. God bless him, he's trying. He's just excited and not very smart. Intelligence inversely proportional to the level of excited he is right now. Oh no, more peep fight. And Jojo wins again. Good luck with that, Jojo. Yeah, you're not gonna win a fight with a grown-ass Satin. Hi, Satin. And Jojo immediately runs off to eat food. God bless Cookie. Or, I'm sorry. God bless Pookie. He's doing his best. Being all big and bad and handsome. His mom is not remotely interested. Sprinks is having none of her husband's shit. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Don't get too close to Sprinks. My, you're a handsome Pookie. Yes, you are. Okay, y'all have to see the sheer number of birds on me. Bird on my head. Oh, hi. Hi, Pookie. Oh my good Lord, Pookie. That was rude. All that and you didn't even want to stay up here? Hi, Tandy. You gonna go chase Alex now? Yeah, Satin's getting out of your way, Tandy. Hey, baby. Hey, my sweet girl. How are you doing? How's my sweet girl? Hi, Cookie. Hi, Sprinks. Bye, Pookie. Hey, Thistle. Leonard and Chiffon. Just kind of chilling on the shelves. MJ. MJ is one footing on the knot above the swing. Hi, hi. Thistle is trying to figure out how to get to her. Pookie just bounced into and off my lap again. Hey, Lexi. Lexi is supposed to be retired, but then she laid that egg under Farthing. And it happened to be fertile. She will be travel safe once the baby weans. If they don't turn out to be bad parents. Hi, Cookie. Alex and Dodger have peeps in the box. That's as close as Thistle can get to his wife, and he is not happy about it. That was my face. Oh, hi, Leela. Aw, hello, Leela. Look at your little chest fro. Dear God, it's cute. How are you even gonna be so cute? You know, I'd kind of be thrilled if she and Cloud paired up just to see what would happen. Like, would that body type breed true? I kind of like that this is the body type our pigeons are developing. And that it's become such a common and such a very dominant body type. Both of our sex-link pairs have been broken up. And we have some retirements coming up. Birds who are currently available, we will not be opening back up for shipping until the 9th of January 2021. Because right now, everybody is getting a treatment for for coccidia. Corid is the treatment. You ain't slick. I'm sorry, I got wide-eyed because my phone just flashed a message. Do you know why a pigeon's lungs would fill with... And that was all I saw. That's going to be something horrible I have to answer. But like as soon as my eyes went wide, both this butt and this butt. Yes, I called you a butt. Yes, I love you. Went straight for the corners of my eyes because they both like drinking my tears. Pigeons can taste exactly two things, salt and fat. Tears have a lot of salt. Sweat has salt and some amount of same flavor profile as fat, as interpreted by a pigeon. And blood has a ton of both. So particularly clever pains in my ass like this one have figured out that I am a salt factory. And they can get salt on tap by messing with specific parts of me or bothering where my skin is thin for high. There are pigeons legit fighting over who gets to be on my shoulder and in my arms right now. Your butt, Cookie. I'm sorry, Tandy. Tandy just lost your grip. Hey, Thistle. Hey, Thistle. That was rude. You're up there on my shoulder. You don't get my whole me. Hey, Thistle. Hey, gorgeous. How's my good boy? How's my sweet good boy? Sweet good boy wants my shoulder? Yes? Oh, yeah. Shoulder is best spot. Next to head. Head is best spot. And I am pretty sure that is a cherub on my head. Hello, Indica. I know. I love you. Good luck with that. Honestly, that's a pairing I'd really love to see. Buddy, she's not in the horny crouch. She's just eating food. He sure thinks the eating food crouch looks like the horny crouch, and Rigby is just the sexiest thing alive. That boy is just feeling himself. Cody came in because we're treating him for Tritch. We're treating everyone for Tritch, but he had an active infestation. We also brought him in to keep him and Rigby from having another clutch together. They lay like machines, and Cody is retired because of the length of his muffs. I really want to move away from long muffs like Ethel's over there, because full-length muffs are flight feathers. They are anchored in the bones of the toes instead of just being anchored into the skin like slippers or grouse muffs. Unfortunately, the full-length muffs are genetically a combination of the recessive grouse gene and the partial dominant, The partial dominant slipper gene. Hi, Puddin'. Hi, Puddin'. If that is a cherub on my head, somebody needs to get on y'all's egg. Don't complain at me. Hi, MJ. Hi, Thistle. What a butt. So hopefully their separation will give Rigby some time to recover before her next clutch, unless we end up deciding to retire her soon. You know, as many eggs as she's given me, it's probably coming time to retire her, but we will make that decision when the time comes. Oh, hi, Leela. Bye, Leela. Good Lord. Hi, Thistle. Welcome back. Just gonna throw your mom off me. Just gonna throw your mom right off. Hi, baby. Yes, I love. Yes, I love a Thistle. Oh, Thistle and Elliot are funny. I love them so much. I'm so excited for Thistle's next babies. Good luck with that, Leela. Aw, hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. My sweet baby girl. You want smooches? No? Okay. Oh, you do want the nursies. You do want the nursies. It is so funny to me that behavior has carried over clear from her grandpa. Bean used to do this when he was a baby because I hand raised him. And then all of his children picked up the behavior. And every generation of child descending from Bean has asked me for nursies, particularly the hens. And what's funny is I don't even think they know why they want it. They just do. They don't actually expect me to have food in my hand for them. Hello. Hello, Chiffon. This is Beetle's baby. May he rest in peace. Peep, I know. Don't you poke that stop button. Oh, Fluffity. No, do not bite that Peep. Don't bite that Peep, I'll fight you. Hey, Luxie. Luxie and Farthing are like the only birds in this boxes right now. Although, I can't see him from here, but I'm pretty sure Cherub is in his box. Everybody else is on the floor being social. Either over there, eating or drinking their medicine water. Don't shove your entire face in my mouth. Yes, that's adorable and I love you. Not my nose either. Neither of those things have food for you. Don't be a butt. Oh, hey, Ethel. You come to join the pile? Hey, Betty. Hey, beautiful boy. Hey, Gus Gus. Do you want to be in my lap? Yes, you can also have nursies, Indica. Hey, Gus Gus. Gus Gus will be available for adoption once birds are cleared for departure again on the 9th. Elliot, don't be a butt. Hi, Tandy. And I'm a ball when she retires. Don't know when that's gonna be. got a peep coming of age this month. 2 new breeders joining the loft on Thursday, so that will be 3 retirements this month. We will have 2 more peeps reaching 6 months and 2 more adults joining the loft from quarantine next month. So that's going to be a total of 7 retirement events in 2 months. Gonna be some hard decisions I have to make. Small child. Very small child. I love you. Leave my eyes alone. I love you. Good Lord, the birds. Okay, so we have hit the 20-minute mark, and I need to go in and feed and care for everybody else. I know. So we will go ahead and sign off. In addition to our subscribers here on YouTube, I'd like to thank our wonderful patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook. Hey, by the way, the Ramsey Loft now has a MeWe. I know. And I lost my train of thought right there. It's in the middle of the spiel. I can't remember where it was. Ow, that's my face. Oh, God. Our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter, that's where I left off. Our apprentices in small-scale companion breeding and rescue work, for your contributions, both intellectual and financial. I know. Also, I don't remember if I mentioned this previously, but we now have a Discord server specifically for people with, specifically for developing individual relationships with a therapy pigeon or a house pigeon. Not like the breed house pigeon, I mean like a house pet pigeon. Those and the Discord servers for our small-scale companion breeder and rescue operation are free to join. Just message me for a link. Little beep, no. We are trying to improve our pigeon content for our supporters. Thank you, my dears, and have a lovely day.